Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the Granny Dimension, guys, and we're going to hopefully be finding some granny panties, guys. We're going to be going on a granny panty raid, that's for sure, guys, unless there's some stains in them, then I don't want them, guys. Don't put that on me, because I do not want them at that point. But what you're going to need to head to the Granny Dimension is you're going to need 10 white wool. You're going to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need to fur these light gray things. I'm not going to say the last thing because, you know, I kind of have a speech impediment. I really can't say what it is. But let's go ahead and jump on up, guys. And then you're going to place 1, 2, 3 white wool. And then you're going to place 1 of these on top. Now you just want to go jump on down. And then you want to place 1, 2, 3 white wool, and then 2 white wool in the middle, and then 1 light gray on the edge. And now you want to go ahead, jump on down, and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, because I know you love these kind of videos, and then light your frame up with a flint and steel, guys. And now you just want to go ahead and head on in to this dimension, guys. Hopefully this will load up quick. Hopefully, guys. I'm praying, I'm hoping. Please load up quick. Oh my god, guys. Where are we right now? Whoa, this is crazy. Oh my god, what was that just flew by me? Whoa, I thought that was Granny, guys. It was so white. It was so white. It looked like it hadn't been out in the sun in years. And I thought for sure that was Granny. And oh my god, over there's some zombies. Those are obviously her henchmen. I'm just looking for the old bag. I'm just looking for the old bag at this point. Oh my god, right there's the old bag. Oh my god, what is she doing on her roof? That is crazy, guys. That is absolutely crazy. Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god, what was that? What the heck just hit us? What the heck just hit us? Oh my god, we're on fire right now, guys. Whoa. I didn't even see that coming. What the heck? Was that like Granny's security or something? I gotta get into her house quick. And oh my god, did she trap a pig in her? What the heck, guys? You know what? I'm gonna leave you 2 in her. And if she comes in here, I want you to kick her butt, guys. And whoa, she got some nice stuff in her chest, like a bird chop. That's obviously what she does with pigs. I'm not gonna tell him though, because you know I don't want him knowing. But let's go ahead and head on up here, guys, and see what's going on. And whoa, Granny don't really have that nice of a house, but she does have some nice stuff in her chest, like, you know, a pickaxe and some more arrows and whatnot, guys. And what the heck is she doing out there? It's like she's building some kind of statue or totem. I'm going to go ahead and shoot her in the head. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's a sign we better leave Granny alone, guys. But I just gotta wonder why she's building that. Is she like trying to summon somebody or something? I'm not for sure, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's in these chests. Just a bunch of dirt blocks, just spring and stuff, and coal, and there's really nothing of any significance in any of these. I'm taking that wood because I really need that stuff. Let's go ahead and break this through, guys, and see what's going on. Hopefully, Granny is not behind her, ready to chomp our heads off or something. Let's go ahead and take a look. Whoa, Granny has been doing some mining. Wow. This is crazy, guys. What's this? Where does this lead to? Let's go ahead and open that up. What? What? I could have just took the shortcut and not been caught on fire or anything. I could just like went through that secret passageway over to Granny's house. That is crazy, guys. I didn't even know about that. That is absolutely crazy. But you know what? We're going to have to sneak up on Granny and axe her in the head, guys. It's the only way. It's the only way. Oh my god, I missed. I totally missed. And oh my god, there's 2 other Grannies. Whoa. Oh my god, can you believe that pig? He can't even believe that, guys, but we're still going to have to axe her. Take this. Oh, Granny, take that with your own axe. Boom, right to the face. Oh my gosh. Whoa, she sent us flying. Whoa, she sent us flying. But that is not going to stop me from taking out Granny. That is not going to stop me from taking out the old bag. Boom, take that. Oh my gosh, whoa, did you guys see that? She went flying right by us, guys. That was crazy, that was crazy. I'm going to eat an enchanted golden apple, try to calm down a little bit. And then I'm going to blow them out with TNT. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this absolutely amazing explosion? Hopefully this will kill the Brannies, and we will never see Branny again, guys. Hopefully. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, they're taking off. They're taking off for flight, guys. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. But I'm going to eat this enchanted golden apple. Hopefully I do not die. Whoa, we went flying up in the air. Whoa, did we kill Branny? Did we kill Branny? I think we finally done it. Oh my gosh, no, right there she was. Oh my gosh, she just hit us. Whoa. Oh my god, all these Brannies survived the explosion. That is crazy, guys. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. You want some of me, Branny? If you want some of me, I'll give you some of me. Right after I give this one some of me. Boom, take that. Oh my god, they're shooting me. They're shooting me and they're shooting Branny, which is pretty crazy, guys. And oh, she's out there with them. She's out there with them right now. Whoa, she just crossed the pond. I don't think we're going to be able to get to that Branny. But you know what? We're going to make that Branny awful sad she ever messed with us, because we're going to blow up her house. That's right, guys. We are about to blow up her mini mansion. Wow. I don't think this thing would ever be considered as a mansion, to be honest, guys. Even though she does have some pretty cool henchmen. But let's go ahead and light this baby up, and hopefully it blows. Massive explosion. Oh, wow. That was a massive explosion. Wow, that was epic, guys. And did you guys see all that loot that fell? That was pretty crazy, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you thought of Branny. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.